And there you have it, a very beautiful, simple installation piece for your arbour, overhead, front of your tables, any which way you'd like it. Hope you enjoyed that. I think that looks really cool, super simple and very elegant. Hi guys, it's Millie from FLOWERHUB. Today I'm going to do a little wall installation with some beautiful fan palms, some love grass, some hydrangea, some Banksias, some Ming Fern and some Lotus Pods. This is basically how you do a small wall installation, as if you're getting married and you'd have the arbour up the front. I'm going to do the part where all you then would need to do is attach it to your arbour. I'll give you some little tips at the end on how to do that, but we're going to make the flower arrangement first. So first I'm going to start off with some fan palms. I've got one that's beautiful and then one that's a little bit wonky donkey because I need it just to back on the side there to fan out to give it a little bit of the splayed look. So the best thing to do for me when I'm attaching these is just using cable ties. So I'm just going to cross them over at the bottom and nice and firmly really pull that cable tie into place. So they're going to move around a little bit, but as you put more flowers in, it will stabilise and it should be fine from there. So clipping that off, and as you can see, we'll start making the arrangement coming out this way. So if it was me, then I'd make a second one of these and put it out the other way and attach it together, and then you'd have that beautiful arbory, beautiful look. So to get some beautiful flow and movement, I'm going to use this gorgeous Australian love grass. Super simple to do. I'm just going to cut it off in a clump. Pull it out, take off any raggly bits, get a little bit of parafilm, tie it together. You could even use some sticky tape on this because it's actually really quite easy to do. So a bit of parafilm on there. Once again, just laying it down just like that across the bottom, and then I'm going to put another bit out the side. So I'll grab another little bit. This is super simple, quite easy, really effective. I'm going to use a little bit less this time so it doesn't look so staged. Once again, just around and around she goes, and of course the parafilm breaks. Happy days. I think I want to do that just up like that to get a little bit of more movement through there. Pop that aside. Then I'm just going to start layering my products on, and then when I feel like I'm in the right spot, I've got some Ming Fern here in the cream. I'm going to get a cable tie. I just got these cable ties out of Woolies, but you can get them at Bunnings or Mitre 10 or anywhere hardware stores. The pack at Woolies has actually got 3 sizes, and that works for me. Sometimes you just need to do a little bit here and there. So super tight so you know you've got no movement, and it's starting to come together a bit like that. Now I'm going to layer my Banksias. I'm just going to spin it around. 1, 2, 3, cable tie again. I've put those Banksias at 3 different height levels and as tight as possible. That looks babbo. Get rid of my little straggly bits. I'm just going to hold that up to see how it starts looking for me. Now I'm going to pop the Lotus Pods in. I'm just going to use 2 of those just to give a point of difference, and they're really quite woody and stunning. Let me just see, I might move the bigger round up the top, the smaller one down the bottom, and just to different heights again for me to the Banksia. Lay that down. Then I'm going to use some beautiful hydrangea just to dress the bottom of that, and then it's pretty much done. You can see how quick that was. Haven't overthought it. Once you've got your materials in place, you're good to go. That one there. Then I've got 2 different types of hydrangea. I've got the naturally dried one that I've dried myself because I just wanted that beautiful green. I can't seem to get that in a preserve. So that's just going to go there at the front. And then I've got this other beautiful guy just to sit there like that. Just to hug the bottom. My trusty busty cable ties again. Put that on there. Trim off the bottoms. That's where you need like hands of steel. Get rid of that, get rid of that. And of course, then what you have is starting of a beautiful arbor. Now what you would do then is make a mirror image on the opposite side. You would tie the two together in the middle and you'd have your arbor, like your, pretend this part here is the top of the arbor. You would then fasten it again with your cable ties to that, securing it in, which is really, really great. If you had extra bits of product, once you've got your two bits in the middle, you're using your bits of product just to covering up your works through there. And there you have it, a very beautiful, simple installation piece for your arbour, overhead, front of your table, any which way you'd like it. Hope you enjoyed that. I think that looks really cool, super simple and very elegant.